As night fell, Sundari skillfully lit a fire and cooked dinner for her family.
这边有 electricity 得个人会厝，但是伊会厝无呢，因为应该是伊人无钱会厝，袂 afford 咯。暗暝无通做半项咯，因为看袂着个了嘛，内面个了暗濛濛。煮饭早早煮饭，了早早食好了甲困咯。
Sundari's family used to live in a dilapidated earthen house. Tzu Chi built a simple house for them, provided food aid, and sent the children to a preschool education center. Now volunteers are installing solar panels for them so they could gradually live a better life. Volunteers climbed high and onto the roof to install solar panels and wires. They are not afraid of danger, just to bring convenience to Sundari's family.
So 爱帮我人嘅楼梯啦，过去爱爬去，这里有厝顶，这里爬去看过，那是我在下去啦，这里有 danger still，特别爱做好好下去咯，几个人用 youth person 啦，伊人个有斗下就我人。
After the installation was completed, volunteers carefully instructed Sundari on how to switch it on and off, allowing her to experience its operation.
Solar panel is 4粒嘅嘛，會開3粒 bulb 咯。So 我口有一粒，了伊人困嘅位一粒，我再內面個有一個另外房間，都內面一粒。安尼看嘅時，伊人愛做啥物件，我口會做咯，看會到咯。了伊人嘅 bedroom 內面，像個伊人困嘅位份看會到咯。像個愛下衫啦，愛做水了，伊人暗暝份會做。
With light, they can move freely at home, and their siblings can write and do their homework at night. Sundari and her family can really feel such happiness.
So Sundari 啦，伊嘅小弟小妹哇，甲大人跳舞，了伊個在講下，伊煮飯，伊講uncle 攏忙安尼早邊啊，你人個別等個別食飯了個巴落去，所以伊個愛 afford 我人愛食飯咯，哇，真正多類似。
Tzu Chi is like a match in the darkness, bringing light to impoverished families in Lumbini. Looking forward to Lumbini's future, it will really light up again. Lumbini, Unish Yi Chaolian, Lim Swat Kim, Thai News.